Hello everyone, it is Trevor Tropics WX here with another video. This is another video for the Southwest Indian 2026-25 or 2025-26 cyclone season. And we have a update on our system. Gezani. We have Tropical Cyclone Gezani here now. Currently, as we speak, it is located 460 kilometers or 285.6 miles northwest of Reunion. It has winds of 90 miles per hour with a 10-minute sustained tropical cyclone on the MDR scale. Moving west at 11 miles per hour or 17 kilometers per hour. Pressure is at 975. Center location negative 18.2 south. 52 is 52 east. I got no information. I did get some more information today of how many people have taken action, how many people are in this red alert now, and how much people are preparing for this. Comparing to what Mitchell was at, it was about 40 to 50,000 people that were on high alert. That is very small compared to this system that we are currently dealing with. Jesse D is at a staggering 2.3 million for people on high alert as of right now. And this one cyclone is going to batter. It is already hammering Madagascar. And about just Janice already has gotten 2.3 million on high alert right as of we speak, and it might be more higher since the last time we checked. But that doesn't change the fact that the models are going to support something. GFS currently is showing what could be almost a foot of rain Mozambique. So if you live in Mozambique, take this serious. A foot of rain could drop right near Madagascar coastline, and that is very, very bad that we don't need. But yeah, that's all I got for this video, basically. Except for that, it will be a very strong storm. Let's go into everything that we know first before we end this recording. We gave out information. As you can see, it will be an intense tropical cyclone before landfall. It's going to be a severe tropical cyclone over land. A moderate tropical storm, so it will weaken on the mainland of Madagascar. It will later strengthen again to a severe tropical storm. And then it will strengthen right near the coast. It will strengthen back up to a tropical cyclone. Go along here and be very close to the coast of Mozambique on the 14th of this month, on Valentine's. So if you got anything planned for Valentine's Day, that was a good time to do it early. Mozambique, I know this is kind of not you're interested, but if you have anything planned on Valentine's Day, good idea to make sure you plan them early, because if you're in the path for this, you make sure you plan them early, as this can get very serious. But with that being said, this is Um, well, first, Madagascar and Mozambique, please listen to government agency, law enforcement, local agencies, and other people. Make sure you evacuate from and make sure you stay prepared if you're gonna ride the storm out. Mozambique, as I said, if you have any future plans for maybe Valentine's Day, do them early because this is coming towards you guys on that Valentine. So, with that being said, this is Trevor Tropics WX signing out. Stay safe, everyone, and goodbye.